Hey guys, hey world, wherever you are on this rainy day that we're having. Well, I'm having a rainy day where I'm at. Um, with that being said, 3 reasons why stretching should be important to you or is important in general. Now, number one, I like to do that. Number one, so stretching is good because let's say after you have a workout or even just stretching on a regular daily basis. After you have your workout, it is best to definitely stretch because your muscles are sore and you want to make sure that you have the best recovery time after that workout. So one good way to have a great recovery, best recovery, is by stretching. So stretching is a great way of increasing your recovery time after a workout. Now, number two, stretching. If you have tight muscles, that can also cause poor posture. So that's my point number two. Having poor posture can be fixed if you stretch more. So you can improve your posture if you stretch more. You know, it pretty much increases or it betters, improves your normal functionality of what you do in a day. Because imagine if you have weird posture and you're trying to do a workout and you're like hunching over your shoulders or something like that. You can really hurt yourself by doing that. You can cause an injury. So having poor posture is definitely something that you would want to fix, especially if you're getting into working out and stuff like that. So stretching can definitely be something that can help you fix your posture. Now, with that being said, number three, dress. Now, the third way that you can use stretching to help you is the fact that you stretching, it helps keep your muscles strong and flexible. If you don't do that, your muscles can shorten and they will become tight, and you don't want that either. Especially for your daily functionality, you don't want that. So, with that being said, stretch more. Your muscles they grow stronger, and they won't tighten. They will become longer. You understand? So, those are my 3 reasons why stretching is important. I would definitely say something that I said some people want to do it after a workout and stuff like that, but it's definitely dope to do it throughout the day. That's something that I'm looking forward to doing, and I feel like I need to do it so much more. You don't need to be rushing it. It's nothing to rush. It's something you really want to take serious. I feel like sometimes I want to rush it. No. There's no rushing it. Take it serious. Stretch. Your body actually really does need that stretch. And you help with your flexibility, baby. You understand what I'm saying? Stretching, you become more flexible. Who don't want to be more flexible? I don't know about the dudes, but some dudes want to be flexible too. That ain't the point. But girls, you want to become flexible, girl, you better stretch that. Stretch it. Now, I'm definitely going to get more into definitely stretching more, like 2-3 times a day. And I'm going to let you know how I've been doing with that. So that might be another video coming sometime far down the line. Let's see if I can stay consistent. Let's see how I improve my flexibility. That's definitely something dope that I would like to see. So, with that being said, these were 3 reasons why stretching is important. Just get into it. Full body stretch. Easy. We did this in gym all the time. Before we used to play. Don't act like you don't know no stretches. So, with that being said, let's get into this. Stretch, guys, more. Stretch more. It'll help with your posture. It'll help with your recovery time. And you'll help make sure your muscles don't become tight and shorten. So, have a good day. Nikki's way. It's the only way. Nikki's way is the only way. But like, subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. See you guys. Deuces. It was lovely.